Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Today we want to talk about detoxing your body. Yes, detoxing your body is very important, guys. And you know what I mean, as I said before in a certain of my video, that is when I come to London, I learned so many things, guys. It's just amazing to know that I learned so many things that I can able to share it back with someone out into the world. Anyway, detoxing your body, the reason why I want to say it is very important, because you know what I mean, a lot of people doesn't even drink water a lot, and a lot of people doesn't know that these things do work in your system. Because when we eat meat, eat certain kind of things, what happen? It's sitting in our body. It's sitting in our body for a period of time. And you know what I mean, detoxing the body do help to cleanse you up, clear you up, you know what I mean, purify your body, and you know what I mean, make you be that person. So today we want to simply say to you guys that detoxing your body is a very important part of a daily thing which everyone should be doing. A lot of people doesn't know that, and I mean, like cinnamon, you know what I mean, ginger and lemon or lime or cucumber, these things works. It works. It's natural stuff, and they do works for human being body. Basically, a lot of people doesn't like ginger, and a lot of people doesn't like lemon or lime. They hate it. A lot of people doesn't want to have anything to do with it. But you know what I mean, as I said before, is our body. You have to know you want to take care of yourself. There's no one can do it but yourself. So one thing I want to say, that guys, you must look after yourself, because you might be young now and you know what I mean, you're healthy and fit, but you know what I mean, when you reach certain kind of age, there's at a time when things gonna start come down on you, you know what I mean, when doctor forgot run a heap of wire on you because you didn't look after yourself when you were young. Just like your teeth, a lot of people doesn't know that if you doesn't go to the dentist, get yourself your teeth clean and get things done, what going to be happen. So basically what I want to simply talking about detoxing your body is very important, and today we want to say let's do 7 days worth of detoxing of our body. 7 days, Monday to Sunday, just 7 days, guys. Is you know what I mean. Basically I want to simply say to you, can just get a big jug and you know what I mean, make a big bucket of detoxing water and keep it in the fridge and drink it on a daily basis as it goes along. First thing, you need to drink it in the morning before your breakfast, or one in the evening before you go to your bed. A glass of it is very helpful. Anyway, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below, and tell a friend about Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We're simply talking about detoxing your body today. So guys, hopefully this will be a big benefit for you and the family, and please tell someone. It's very important, and that's why we're gonna do 7 days worth of detoxing of our body today, guys. Thank you so much. So stay tuned as we goes along and make the detoxing of our body. All right, nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, this is the way how it's gonna be working today, and I'm gonna give you a different ideas. Let's get this glass of some ice water inside of it. All right, lovely and nice. So basically what I want to simply say to you, if you notice right here, I have 3 different kind of glasses. I got a big jug and 2 medium-sized glasses. I have some cucumber right here, and I have 1 lemon, and also we got some cinnamon. We got half a cucumber, 1 lemon, and also some fresh mint and some cinnamon. Well, this is what we're going to do, and every evening I will be sending out a video of detoxing the body for 7 days straight. So basically you're gonna have one in the morning. Yeah, that's the first thing you're gonna do in the morning. But when you wake up, you're gonna drink a glass of water with some cucumber inside of it. So basically this is the first one. All right, and then next thing what you're going to do, this is what you can do. I'm just gonna give you some ideas of what you can do. We're gonna be doing this for 7 days straight. Well, the 7 days straight detoxing your body, this is how we're going to be doing it. If you notice, I put some sliced cucumber inside of it, and now we're going to be put some lemon inside of the water like this. So basically this one you need to put it down for at least 6 hours or 7 hours for it to make the water feel totally different. Make the lemon and the mint and the cucumber work inside of the water. You need to put it on at least 6 to 7 hours, or make it from the night before ready for the morning. Alright, so say you make it this morning before you go to work, you can leave it in your fridge, and when you come home you can have one before you go to your bed. So this is in the morning. And next thing what I want to simply say to you, you can drink one in the morning and one in the evening. And if you want to make like a bottle and bring it to work, that's fine. The next thing, this one, another way where you can also do it, we're gonna simply get some slices of cucumber, put it inside of this water, same way like this one. 2 slices of lemon, and also straight inside of the water like this, and few fresh mint. The next thing what we're going to do is put a little bit of cinnamon inside of the water. Alright, just a pinch of cinnamon. So basically I want to get it to the fans about this. Just tell us, guys, cinnamon is good for you. Alright, cinnamon helps to flush your system, and cinnamon have a lot of benefit inside of it. Cinnamon, I believe every drink you drink, you should have at least a pinch of cinnamon in the water to cleanse your body and purify your blood, your body, help fight against a lot of things inside of your system. Well, next thing, this one you can drink it in the morning, or you can drink it in the morning before your breakfast, or in the evening, or you can drink one at 12 o'clock in the day before lunch. This, when you wake up in the morning, you need to drink it before you eat your breakfast. Okay, if you're doing exercise, that's even better. So all you need to do is just to be eating healthy. That's the main thing. If you're going to detox your body for a week, for 7 days, make sure you're eating healthy. After we do this detoxing one, we're going to come up with one for 1 week straight smoothie. You know what I mean? Just 1 week out of smoothie. No food, no meat, no chicken, no beef, no lamb. It's just going to be bare smoothie for 1 week. Anyway, so this is in the morning before your breakfast. After breakfast, you can, now after you drink this one, then give yourself at least 20 minutes and you can eat your breakfast. You know what I mean? What you're gonna eat for your breakfast, make sure you eat something healthy. You know what I mean? A lot of people know, you're not like you're talking to our kids, all of us as adults, you know what you're gonna be eating. You know what I mean? What you wanna eat for losing yourself some weight and stuff. You don't wanna eat, wake up in the morning and I'm gonna eat 6 toasts of bread and cornflakes and all these things. You're gonna be eating healthy. You're gonna thinking about getting some fresh fruits and, you know what I mean, make yourself a nice lovely smoothie, green smoothie, or, you know what I mean, get some almond and all these things which do help you to lose weight. Second thing, this one, you're gonna be working with this one. If you like to put some cinnamon in the water, it's free. You can put some cinnamon in the water and you can drink it, one in the morning and one in the evening, also before bedtime. Second thing, you can drink a glass of lukewarm water before you go to your bed every night. That do help you to lose weight also. Or you can make this one full of cucumber and lemon and put it into your fridge and make it sit down in your fridge for at least 6 to 7 hours, and then you drink one in the morning and one in the evening. If you make a big jug like this, it won't last in your fridge for a week. The least it will last for is 2.5 to 3 days. The least, if you make it today, it will last 2 to 3 hours, 2.5 days to 3 days in your fridge. After 3 days, you can't drink it again because you're gonna see the cucumber, everything getting different color. So you know you don't want to drink that. So guys, I'm just giving you some ideas and tips, or you can detox your body for 7 days. I'm gonna be doing 7 days with a detoxing video for all of my fans them. It's just a request and I want to get it out of the way for the fans them who requesting it. So guys, please bear with Chef Ricardo, and we're gonna be doing this for 7 days. Thank you so much for watching my show, and we have a lot more ideas and tips and recipe coming out for you. Anyway, as I said before, this one more time again, you can leave it in your fridge for 4 hours or 5 hours and then you can drink it. So if you make it in the morning, or it's good for you to make it from the night before, that you can drink it in the morning. So tonight, if you're watching my video and you have it, you know what I mean, and you are this morning, you can make a big portion of it and keep it for 2.5 days in your fridge. Drink one in the morning, one in the evening before bedtime. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you and this will help you. And as I said before, you can drink a glass of lukewarm water before bedtime every night before you go to your bed. And remember, you need to eat healthy, okay? Don't just say, okay, Chef Ricardo say you must drink this for 7 days and then you're gonna be losing 10 kilo. No, eat healthy. Eat healthy, guys. If it doesn't eat healthy, it's not going to work. You have to eat healthy, and detoxing the body is very important. All of these things right here, very important for your system. Plus, a lot of people doesn't like to drink water, and this come in really handy for you. And a lot of people doesn't like lemon, mint, and then cucumber, so this come in handy. So we have a lot more ideas and tips coming out your way, and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And remember to visit my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.